Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the detailed review of this IFB single door fridge, which is of 5-star rating, and the energy consumption per year is approximately 128 units per year. So 2 to 3 months back I just made an unboxing video and uploaded on the channel. Now we'll see the overall satisfaction level and my overall impressions on this IFB single door fridge, which is of 197 liters. See here, 197 liters direct cool, and the model and the year is of 2025, this year only, and this is the exact model IFBDC 2235. Okay, so I'll go by series. The first thing is I'll talk about the energy consumption. Next, this is the manual defrost. This is not the frost free refrigerator, so I'll be telling about the ice buildup in this freezer. Okay, ice buildup. And next one, the overall freshness of the food. And the fourth one, I'll be talking about this noise, means is there any noise from this refrigerator. And the fifth point is the overall satisfaction, as this is 5-star rated refrigerator. And see here, the main purpose I purchased or replaced my old refrigerator is to save some power consumption bill. So it is 128 units per year. So what I'll manually show you my electricity power bills for 2 months, and I'll show you the comparison. See here, this was in the last 2 months, which is 65 units and 75 units. And after the refrigerator, the build units are 59 units. And remember, this is the peak summer time, means the consumption of ceiling fans will be like almost like most of the hours, like almost 20 hours or so. With that also, as I replaced my old refrigerator, there was a drastic consumption, less consumption of electricity. See here, 59 units. And one more reason for this is I replaced my old ceiling fans with this BLDC ceiling fan. This is one Orient Electric BLDC ceiling fan, and this is the remote for this. And another is this Polycab BLDC. Both this fan and that fan unboxing and reviews are already uploaded. I'll be dropping them in the description. If you want, you can check. Coming to the second point, the second point what I'm going to discuss you about this refrigerator, IFB refrigerator, is the defrost or the ice buildup. So let us open the fridge door. Yeah, this is the fridge door. And remember, I kept this in the eco mode. Okay, so it is clearly mentioned that if it is winter, you can keep it to 1 to 2, if it is monsoon 2 to 4, if it is summer 4 to 7. Even though it is summer, I kept in eco mode only, means everything will be handled by this refrigerator only. So eco in the sense power saving only, so I kept in the eco mode. I'll show you the food freshness also. First we'll see the smart freezer. See here, now it's already freezed. I'll be opening this, and I'll be opening the tray here, the ice cube tray. Sorry, see, see, yeah. Okay, in my area where I'm staying, there will be some frequent power cuts, even though the ice means the efficiency of this freezer is good, and the food, okay, I didn't keep the lid properly, that was there is ice buildup in the food, but not the problem with the fridge. Okay, and there is not much ice buildup. See here, there is quite a little bit of ice buildup, but not that much, as because I kept this in the eco mode. See, I kept in the eco mode. The freezer temperature control I kept in eco mode, and I never used this defrost button, manual defrost button, for this 3 months. Okay, that is what I can say. And as I said, the third point is I want to tell you the freshness of the food. And these leaves were like 4 days before. And if you can observe the freshness, means they didn't get spoiled at all, they still remain fresh. Means with proper cleaning, I just covered the lid here like this, and I just placed it over this refrigerator, and the eggs or this or any food material, and especially these leaves are like 4 days before, and they were like really fresh. And even the fruits I can keep it in the tray, but there are vegetables here in this tray, that's the reason I kept it here. And these are the fridge mats I ordered on Flipkart for 142 rupees. I'll be dropping that link also, unboxing, you can check it. So this is the third point. And coming to the fourth, if you can observe, as I open the door now, there is a small noise sort of thing, or working sound of this IFB refrigerator. Yeah, maybe here you can notice. Yeah, if you try to listen, this is very silent refrigerator. It is also mentioned in the what is this, you can say, the details in the Flipkart page, that it is very silent refrigerator. As it is mentioned, it is silent only. I observed that there is not much noise or anything like that. And coming to the look and feel, this is the fiber material, but it appears to be something like glossy material. Glossy look will be there. With proper cleaning and maintenance, this refrigerator looks pretty good. And coming to the final point, the last point, how it is working and how satisfied I am. So I'll be talking about that. So how satisfied I am, I am really satisfied, you can say, like 4.5 out of 5. This is my impressions. Okay, this is absolutely my impressions, because my primary requirement buying this refrigerator is for energy consumption or power bill saving. So that I felt okay. Yes, after changing this refrigerator, and also I changed the ceiling fans, overall the cover power bill or electricity bill is, I observed the difference. Means previously I used to get high electricity bill, now it has been reduced even though it is summer. Okay, in that area it is absolutely I'm satisfied fully. And the food freshness, I'm really satisfied. And less noise, means no noise at all even though. And coming to the negatives, as of now I didn't observe much negatives from this refrigerator, because it is just 3 months old. But if there is any negative, any sort of negative, immediately I'll post a video on that. Please do comment if at all, if I miss any of the questions, so that I'll be replying you in the comments. Many comments I received for the reel what I have did for this IFB refrigerator, and there are few more details here, we'll see. Powered by E-Tech, fastest ice cooling. Okay, I'll be telling you the ice cooling capacity. As I kept the smart freeze in eco mode only, so in the eco mode it is taking like 1 hour 30 minutes for the water to get into the ice state. Okay, that you need to remember. Thick installation, better cooling, stabilizer for your operation. Okay, you can observe there is no stabilizer I'm using, directly I'm using with the power cord. Okay, auto connect to home inverter, but there is no home inverter connection for this. So whenever there is power loss in my home, this gets stopped. Okay, advanced inverter compressor. Okay, yeah. Yeah, if you have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. Yeah, please do comment who else are using IFB products.